So now for example number 3, I'm sorry, if I have 2x squared plus 11x plus 12, uh-oh, this is not fun. Here's a problem that I have.
You can't factor out the 2.
Yeah, I can't factor out the 2. Because 11's a prime number.
That's me.
But you know what we're going to try to do? Let's try this anyways. This is a little harder when you do it this way. But if I put in 2x squared and 12, it is a little harder, but you can do it. You might not guess it right on the first time. In other words, you may have to guess, multiply everything out, God bless you, and you'll find out that it doesn't work, and then you got to re-guess. But 2 is a prime number, so this has got to be 2x, and this has to be x. There's no, I mean, there are other ways to do it. I could do 1/2 x times 4x, but it's probably 2 times 1 for the coefficient, and then x times x for x squared. So now I got to keep in mind that this term has to be multiplied by 2, and this term will be multiplied by 1, sort of, right? 1x. And we keep that in mind. Now, they have to add up to equal 11.
They have to multiply to be 12.
And they have to multiply to be 12. Now, think this through. I already know. Just relax. Just relax. If I put 4 here and 3 here, 4 times 3 is 12.
Correct.
Now, you know what? I know that'll work, but we're going to do it backwards anyways. On purpose, because this is what you might do at home. I'm going to put the 3 here and the 4 here. Now, watch what happens. If I multiply this through, I'm going to get 6x, okay, and 4x. When I add them up, it's 10. It doesn't add up. We're off by 1. So what do? I just erase this. I just erase that, and erase this. And I say, well, I wonder, what if I put a 4 here and a 3 here? Well, now 4 times 2x is 8x. 3 times x is 3x. What happens?
11. You get a magic number.
Now it works. So now I'm going to write 2x plus 3 times x plus 4. Boom, we're done. Boom.
We're not
So you may have to double check those. These problems are rigged up in a way that that first term, that leading coefficient, is usually a prime number or a simple number like 4.
That's me.
And so you can double check it, but this is probably, the guess and check is the best method.